Hello everyone and welcome to episode 105 of the castle. I'm going to do my best to just make a little bit of progress on the walls so I have a cooler rock pool to swim in when it's full tide.
I stand upon the waters, gaze upon the sea, asleep while standing up, sun burning down on me. Clouds forming overhead, letters in my mind, symbols of the past, entire history of mankind. Stonewall my peace, a break from war, until my peace away they tore. Emotion burning in my core, the storm is forming on the shore. Calm my mind and the sea goes calm, eternal flame within my palm. Guess who came back? Hear that whip crack, gathering souls in a burlap sack. Guess who came back? Hit the water with a slap, depleted uranium bullets rain down with a rat-a-tat-tat.
The horse is continuing to go on the beach. I barely ever come out here when the horse is going for a walk, but for some reason lately it just seems to be out a whole lot more. Maybe I just don't get up early enough.
Now the sky goes dark to the name Danley. Guess who came back again? Hear that whip crack again. 40,000 years away, and now they are back again. The ones who wrote the definition.
I know this shouldn't be a new thing now, it's just a horse on the beach is kind of a... Oh, is she alright? Oh no, I'd better go. That poor lady just got knocked off her horse. Just randomly, out of the blue, the horse just knocked her off. Hope she's okay. She said she was okay and she waved, so I'm just gonna assume that she's alright.
Once upon a time, upon a beach in the sand, there was a pile of stones brought about by a man. A silly little helmet and a silly little crown made of real gold. Waste of money, too bad it's mine. Opened up a portal, walking like a mortal. When they plot my fall, I just give a happy chortle. Laughing at the plans of men, thinking they can take my zen. Joking, play clever like a band. Unicorns and rainbows, building till the pain goes. Toppling my silly foes, in the water dip the poles. Layers in the light, invisibles inside, hiding in dimensions where the visions are a fright. Treading through the in-between, Enderman and Halloween. Henley builds a castle surrounded by imagining. A vivid imagination, excuse for divination. Calling my stories fiction, give the hidden good and get an invitation. Once upon a time, in a less than foreign land, there was a pile of stones and a player in a band. A silly little helmet and a silly little crown made of real gold. Secret tunnels in the town. Opened up a portal, walking like a mortal. When they plot my fall, I just give a happy chortle. Laughing at the plans of men, thinking that the wind would bend. Walking through the wall, I say it was never a sin. Unicorns and rainbows, building till the pain goes. Toppling my silly foes, in the water dip my toes. Layers in the light, invisibles inside, hiding in dimensions where the visions are a fright. Treading through the in-between, Enderman and Halloween. Danley builds a castle surrounded by imagining. I will build a castle in the water, tall and wide. Its walls will shimmer where the stars collide. A moat of whispers, a drawbridge that crosses over time. Try to knock it down or try to break the spell. The waves will roar.
Alright, progress update. We've made the walls a tiny wee bit bigger, so I'll finally have a comfy rock pool where I can sit on the edge of the seat while the tide is in and not just get blown over the top of it. It's not very much higher, but it's a tiny little bit higher.
Drowning sand, cursed are they who try to stop my clan. just hear the thunders cry. The sky will split and the sea will die. Try to knock it down or try to break the spell. The waves will roar and toll the bell.
Alrighty, I'm just going to take a little break on the halfway stone. There's a stone I rolled probably about 300 meters from that way. And now it's my little sit-down point where I can take a break when I inevitably get a little bit fatigued from pushing the rocks too far. Anyway, break's over.
Calling my stories fiction because they didn't get an invitation. I'm building up a castle. If you want, then join me. But if you try to sabotage it, you will pay a steep fee. If you try to own us, you will never own us. We were there before time. We are just the owners. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name is Danley. I'll introduce you to my friend. His name's Dimitri. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name's Dimitri. I'll help you build the walls with nanites in your bloodstream.
Alright everyone, that's the end of episode 105 of the castle. It's slowly coming along. We'll get there eventually.